Good evening, special viewers of Costa TV. You are warmly welcome to our current affairs program, Kasa. Baby, I will be ano yamao kwa basonko yazeba Costa TV do. Imezino ye Kasa current affairs program ya share debia yazeba wana kwenim. Na nne ye wo nsambe na ebotumi atwe ho nkomo. Mezino ze dani abawana. Mo minwanum yenu ofia ha. Nyame ya adoma futa sesiala kapim abrai eba sar no nyona bo twetwe nkomo na nsama ezegu apondo no yetum ya ye mpensem na ya chechirem ma ntase etum ayedwuma na yehu bebi a yeze enan na eti boto na nne issues nze ozi akotene ye pa yaza ozi kan yemma mpenye Excellency John Dramani Mahama osi ni ministers no ni CEOs of state institutions ni na ozo tabu atwondo ozo ban atwondo ofan awards bia wotumoke gina woji there obi aye ni awards also robo ministers ana the CEOs wana abado ana abenum mpanyimfo wana abado mampanyin si dabi hold on mo biala mfano ho nkodom award scheme biala especially where the scheme no wontum won authenticate ni genuinity ana the scheme no wona was aba no obotum ache dem nkofu yi wo credibility bi oche de say woriye oye awards bi otedama na oche de oya as papa or de obia tum ozechi ebebisa central waban osande Greater Accra regional minister wakaje award na yen professor oye Professor White the monk of Naso Okada Woman Award nibi no see conditions bi a wozo to akwamunti we yi ni ho efidam awards nim nechi no na sansam bebre na opui ma omanpanyin ozo na masami ozo atuga wama oye the ministers no onye CEOs ni nyina wamon warning dem obi amfa no ho nje bibi otimudam nti ebebisem na yehu central na ya hwe awards scheme yimpo hwanom na was bay anye bia or credible another on credible scheme na denti na omanpayin waka da masam no yaza ebebisa dam asami na ya hwe ebiom so ye be hwe ye na yenyim oye poster ofran oye Musa Dankwa ota oye post oye sesiazi ngofu be braji na tumpa de ozo post ba ya oyaza ota ye djuma obam the predictions no otum obam ebimo se issues are asa dollar kase sia no oye too early na asami de okachire ndc for there oyaza obotu wa chiren ono Musa Dankwa na ejumeza osedozi ana kwana ofada odozi na ejuma ore ye ejuma mo onye obido oye independent body a ore wona ejuma nti mo biala ozazi botugwa ebotum ebisa nsamsam bebre na asa afa ho na mom intum nkade damokwani ana damokwani na odo fado na ozie na ejuma ebebisa posa ozibai ofan NDC nipa ba behye oyo mampanyin John Dramani Mahama na name in the run up to 2028 elections no na ozidam asami nyina ozaba no so yebewuom na yatwetwe ho nkomo na ya hwe the way asam no osi ote ebiom so yebohwe oye Ghana na onye America yen Attorney General osi oyaza oni America mpanyimfo ba betina fom na wa twetwe nkomo na so o de baby mpa na chede so what was it the mon komo twetwe nsam ya wozu go nkrata da na wo sign asa na oyaza obotu ayedem ni nyina no ofan oye yen former finance minister oye Mr. OFORI-ATTA is a nyina enyim ma orokodo as far as the former finance minister is concerned or USAC Ghana ya place extradition request awudank wasn't about money na nsem was out no do no obana obeya no so oyaza or US ho omba Ghana together with some other issues bia owo a kofu bi so or the Ghana ha or the Ghana ban ozo no kwa America ma okezi wana sam wo ho eyina yim brother bia yebonisin abutreka ni onyina what's the monk of nyina ka homa oba be hia US mpanyimfo na onyo na twetwe nkomo offer them extradition processing no kwa for that Ghana fa Ghana nyimbi la wo amanone a order was ne ba Ghana wo business ambia na America fo na atase na yes na ba obi America another obi so we ziboro America we go na ba Ghana a wo se de Ghana fo yes no ko America bia no ni nyina wo chon komo na we kwana wo ze ba fado and breaking news all ho so ni de oye said nam Tamakulu former CEO of Maslow ne ono nasama owo oyaza nne yala oye 9th June 2026 was nefi America was naba Ghana hade masisi oye CID for police for wagen we process document also the process bia na kona baby order was no kon no chede was na ko prison kra order was no kon was we processes no we reform it was not reform into we are no chede oyaza was no makwa akotum osande onne na asam no we zewie ma wa convict no na mom or US on back into say Siana America for we push na we pia na bagana hade nne yala into police for oguda warrior nhwem besa ka oye nunia Lamidi ALHASSAN ni na enyina dodo na Lamidi nempo mi ya shoda nkofo brenyim ti da wona woni electoral area no na wonye obi anyim na ofa the big man honorable member assembly member ayiko anamboa tantre ayiko osanso ye communicator ozema oye NDC wo Cape Coast obabua na ya chonkomo na ya hwebe bia ensam nyina yezeboto enia MPP Cape Coast communicator ko no so Isaac Kofi nso obaka ho ma ya hwe nkomo enne enwumbri ntebe srede enwumbri yala ye sampa bebre na yewo ezemo nti enyi ntena na yeye discussion yi na yebemu akonya na etum ezewe wonsam ezaba na ezabotuga na afre na etum abodwumezi no leze ezabotugwa ntam na mo beya nye na yepere yefre no na yabomos na yetum ya afre na me big man akwaba na straight away no yen share yen discussion no ase na yen share ensam na me akwaba
yenya
no otindene
adumara kwa yo
is a electoral area for so bia ne hoye
tantra kwa electoral area asomdwe nkotin
ye dan yakopon as na yen share oye omanpeyina asama ozaba ofan oye CEOs awo state institutions no nye ministers no nye other government appointees also in general obiala ye government appointee bia in the meantime no hold on mo bia mfano ho nkoje oye award scheme bia ho onche bia over the weekend na oye kofuboze awards wi was in the way best minister best CEO no onye other awards one lining up was mama mpeyefo bebre na azaka sa ozasam ba yin oye Dr. Professor Professor White ono osinde awards na wakere was man no conditions was to no no share no osinde no they on credible awards into order then oyin who film because what's there order otia $50,000 series in the form of sponsorship to the scheme was man confirm and now so there was in pa 8 be fi na soy was aba na we 25,000 na ochere da mon confirm 8 no we 25,000 because what ba obezi obonom linda mintino about 25,000 for man them two options no option there no onye confirm ni chon koma no hu there there's no credibility I was scheme only standard biala or there on oshene tibiona otum ozino ho ozigim no mu na man pay so by issues no be man confirm be criticize Pastor White ibi criticize Linda Okulu Greater Accra Regional Minister ono koje best regional minister wasi Accra flag be be wa be obenden na minister ontum ayo bibi enyema bebre awon spend oye no ontum aye so obenden na wa fechi wakaje best regional minister award ntoma issues ni yesterday no ode yekum na bisa samsam ekura another ebieni bi na chechi ma manfo so wotum wata ase ntoma yebisa waje nkyere
ozinkano madawasi bebre na ya da Costa TV ashafo etefu na asi na me lecture so madawana asi de wa mama konja mo fonso mo na mo ko issue no do mejamizi da abosibwazizi inchanyabon na ansana ebobo bi na abadun osende jina do a esbobo impako na abadun se general as a kanzamo bwana no de osimusa na obimpo osafate de mo na abadun inchanyabon ba abosiza abaka chole muntie bibi na mejis de achede ashu mummo influence mumboto anazo anya abosibwazi na ozin kanu mototasa yempemfu de aya wonye due diligent kakra because Ghana for Jeza our president Mahama numu na NDC numu ntina watu abozima nti nzeme bi wa sa yenya no wanhwenye mo oma onya amanya onsebe yenye tebototasa yempemfu ani FM be ma wa order maybe so since you call my award. Some of me today may qualify, and I agree to that. Me qualify my culture that there's somebody who is more qualified than me. Because say the more bobwa your system your sanity. But I don't know the company whether this is their first time was he a BB or to them. So why be Sudan? What mostly no for about 17 years ni why RTP awards once you know fano Prince Mackay on was in the awards scheme no was been also there over the 17 years no what build credibility in terms of giving awards to individuals and corporate institutions mostly no or in the entertainment radio entertainment industry na where there was a time me representi radio station na me ejuma on Eagle FM on the same nominations so me dey nyazi but I thought I was also represented known to the system but for all these 17 years this is the way I wear and this is the only time what's the mukakra on the RTP was what the one way no I was saying that they bra warrior one mama for tutu bibi na was no on the RTP no one just come through obia order one just come through obia order but even I know them pono we deny the waji we be so be ska because why just in there our recordings are or chair there when you make Kasa in the same confuno so what there now or videos no on the boss video recordings ni na or for voices and quoting was video recordings ni about to go na obia nti opede media house diala ofi there ono asaba maybe or doubt no ombra na ombaji the right information say kat na wa etum aka asam na aka ne ye so we deny pesa onye impa kakabo we mani nti asama okabia osende yefe na ebi because ndana nkasa because of disinformation and misinformation into my cousin po nzema bi social media po na ya careful kaka aya na aka bibi na enya man but you want to transfer yempemfu am jemisi de obi awa mo edwuma de yen anno send obo wa baado because anno wa chew edwuma opede eye aye ne yen ni anu no yi say Cape Coast Metro Assembly one ma warder wabaka de wakaka citation mobile assembly de intina wamam dama award some electoral area wamam award wabaka de intina yam award otidam atasa into citations all come no sunday you because assembly like why you assembly we manuma which I mean I'm not happy with it because Ghana for saying to crowd what to abazima president my transparency no accountability in time me support my no ban all CEOs ministers on dama in the manzame because in future the program was organized by Big Events Ghana, a private company. Big events. I remember very well. I must have the term you know organized music music awards. RTP radio and television programs awards.
na ya pie wo mu da
okay
na nti urban in terms of in the media landscape is were very known
to the
I think that even apart from GJE Ghana Journalists Association one awards a woman no big event one is no so one award for no be na waja atum me kai I think there was one guy I think Black Rasta or so in one of the awards in one of the years okay there oyi ni ho film because on task wire we nominate for award all the was listening to Ghana for to aba what test message what was messages call no there it's a form of buying was always the highest bidder impana obenya vote kase no you know isikam enti no no penny principles no we ni ho film but Zan wasn't there was Botugwa Claire Mama can be wasn't there. They organized the annual scheme to recognize government officials and civil servants. However, the 2026 edition of the privately organized ceremony drew significant public backlash and prompted an official directive from the office of the president. It's a physical direction now ministerial and ministerial honest awards no one was the bemunu no one man we raise eyebrow especially sikasamna when you break kind there 50,000 as sponsorship and now 25,000 before able to appear no I mean to know o man break who there no award be out to the mono no che there on share that credible
After America, I said it's if it and mojet. President Wakan, Yanjin Tundama, na Yonku as a country. Nama edge my leaders so the baby man will do no be able to and won't be very careful. Now President Mama, the way you pay the opposition man, least mistake when you about to. It's about to transfer. I mean, I don't see the need. Just one more award. Well, I have brain there, Bobra, never one. A Juma said you have a pain there. Dr. Franka Malcolm in a Jumari, say Bralin with all you, Juma, and Emma. And see about to tell the one next time. Yes, say, be film. Now, maybe be out to them on team.
Now, and yesterday, we need to encourage people to work hard and also motivate others to also join in terms of their urban there. You know, we should be patriotic. We should devote ourselves to national service. And you know, our schemes what them oba as a motivation to confer was the award and was more. The more we encourage people in terms of hard work.
Should I pay money before you motivate him? Should I? It's 100% wrong. Yeah. So what am I want to be correct? We deny. In any case, we deny. Whether deny or not, no. Once there is no smoke without fire. Once person here in Pakakabo, there are a lot of people in this country. Kasa. One credibility almost or so Kasa and there one credibility or high and to me that one can our worker. My brother, my mama kind there. I mean, I don't on several trace and sana about the my service. Into James there on choking.
Into Lindo Clusi who deserve the woman offending best minister. Na at to force so best performing minister. You know, is there on your
Mama Kasa
allegedly some is in China. And to interesting there somebody like Atu Forsen who deserve the recognized in the Air Force. And a greater Accra regional minister so and even flags now for the excuse me. Big events in there. Awards now started from last year up to I think what's it April or March.
First quarter.
Up to the first quarter. And you know events are oteki place. After that period nina flood nas na for work kanina no oyaza oka hokra.
My brother say ye ina ya kan no kora Young coffee or celebrate a fetcher upon Chony, and money dear Dana, and Udon. Oh, no, that point you was saying no to Sabi, Atasa. And see, Obiwa, a Jumorian, on money behind him, a Jumori, Bill wasn't bought elbow, Atasa. I had a chess or more award than who wasn't edible. Because a Bible to force in Isna, a behind no direction. And now, sir, original ministers, what is their core mandate? They are there to coordinate, to monitor, and evaluate assemblies.
Okay.
That is their work. Because in your assembly, you report to them on the central government. The central government policies, programs, central government, but through RCC, that is Regional Coordinating Council. So, the Juma Patsina, regional minister. Oh yeah, a team teamwork. Regional ministry, you papa kufu. Brother to forcing. Oh na kutio. Oh team na oh eduma. Atasa. Oh yaba ebo biana about. But single out in Pokora, I don't think the Obonti Yenjem na baby wa kwachono yenjim tu na yemfa no fofo. Na say biara ye bibi otedama impoko no hu de ejina no nando oye nazi mo kada obotrede no adam e bia botu ekotu eskana wa mana award. If so buying award is the best way to go, I don't think the most of Sunday yakoni ti about to touch na yin na yin as the say if you na ya boyan bozi ya edumazin because motivation we sao the other sambo about that yakopon bobo about because as biala ye biala so eye musume na bi kan na az musume mu ehu eye na kan musume bi na az wehu atasa mo kodo wa manum ye biala ehu mo kodo wa manum atasa intent to e dying there sisi ala dey na manu ko intent to make the e manu dey na ko no baka chero yan no ko
okay ti eye hwe ni mu na dam issue ya mu na oye omanpanyin secretary oye Kalistos Mahama ozbo tu gwade omanpanyin lampo why hyehyei potential no obotum ay reshuffle wo offend the ministers no onye even with the CEOs intino potential no we expect there emreno sa ebia others will be maintained at their post. Others will be reshuffled to different ministries and other agencies. Others will also be removed from their posts as ministers or CEOs. Just there, too early there, I'm paying over the origin about reshuffle.
Too early.
Because the last day they should appointees should focus on delivering excellent service rather than fighting for awards.
And with the President Mama, or share all the CEOs, no catch or tax on there. If you are carbon was on Yejuman's name, Manun Tumpun. Now, Ebo Compo or Bemed Wool Company with other ones. This is a serious government too. And it is all catch out of Berry Shafra. I'm on the watcher because some of the ministers in Yam will be no baby at Sinano. You don't know. They have to lift up their game. Because with the aid of technology, in the AI, and can change that first in 3 months, 2 months, the same thing also ended this time around because with the aid of phones, you do the enemy. Information I show you asking in Ayan Sabaka. In Timbrous there, you ever say Manu na in Puntu Widen. Waban in Tamantam because actually they have learned in their job. Because one more taxa send go ahead of the time limit I was on because I am the mother will lag behind because in a chino was baba it's in them able to Mayan and tell so I'm aside with the president on say if he dey be one or to sim kakra offer new brain new mind and bra na yonko because in there that mini minister CEOs you will be no more and because we know what they are doing, we know what they have achieved. But someone like Dr. Amaneboama, it behind there, Papa, Shejumori, within small 1 year, space of 1 year, we revive it all. Motor make profit, millions of dollars. You understand? Onye bi na obakacho. Esho Sami Jemfia, onye bi na obakacho. Esho ye Minister of Energy, onye bi na obakacho. Atasa. Tell say no there. One hour work bedroom, ye dey work bedroom. One so I like behind the so. Say you better shuffle one. Akwa maybe akwa be perform better. Let's work. Sure, someone like Minta Kando. Show most of our heart system. And see, you're about to try to say, we really mean business. It's about to try to Ghana for the when you have it. When you have it. And the president, us in there, it's not how long you serve, but how well you serve. It is 1 minute to put able to make a change in Zama. President or preferred than there. About 10 years now, Barbara. Okay. Let's support whatever the president is doing for the betterment of this country. Okay. Nice.
Medas. I shall form me there. Asama big man akano oyaza watu asopumpa na yebetum number ni 05082068460 05082068460 number ebotum ya frɛ na yeze enaje nkyerɛ ezababua ye dwumezino na etum ya konkan ima yenhwɛ oye asama babo tuga oye attorney general oye nneya na oye government spokesperson oye honorable Felix Ofosu-Kwakye ozbo tuga de attorney general ore yehyehyɛ na wetum wehia oye US mpanyimfo concerning extradition processor order your former finance minister oye OFORI-ATTA no dum na wahwe na wonyo ne ayempesempesem yi na wahwe kona oba fast track process no na mo obeya papa yebotum wa aba Ghana na US obi so say de Ghana yes no kwa US ma wo kezi na asam wo no so Ghana fo so abomozin na waye na nipa kono was akọ ehwe de masama oreken ya nka enyiz de nka yenje ma process na nkasa according to plan because asam so Ken analysis so was US court oguda woreka ensam no wo ho another feed or there Ghana aban fast track nyame bi na was Ken for that was Ghana no be was nasa
for the first place I mean Ken OFORI-ATTA na some of I am your there asuma man Ghana asuma pa aso konkron asuma en angies kaisi empia kutua anti area nche benabo kunkunte so nche yo ya bibia I'm a big man, I'm messing with some man or trying to try quite letter area. No, I say, we and a mamma for say, oh, big man, yes, Jesse has show me your 2 hours more. Is he into Boba, Uncle Tamana, Name Iguana? You see, it means there is something wrong somewhere. Because Nalaka so in there, maybe Naka so in there, there may be a wire with 3 man. It's not a man about Yan. But I think there are bilateral agreements with the US. And I don't know the reason why still US are keeping him. Now, I mean, US, you know that is our former finance minister. Quickly, you have to bring him back to his mother country to come and account for his true worship. Because of that finance minister for almost 8 good years. And money Okoyo nala nanda ajonkwa budget no kitei no ahomatso wa manu minti azin aye ABCD bobobo nkontre so chesa waka for oba. That is the reason why sometimes the pomunde MPP for Kasa wa manu ma na makuma wako so because emani epede cheche emani kafa finance minister bra because emani dubia ebia is more on finances. Yeah. Etika fanabra azo yen ABCD on kan kire amanan no yewu bebe a emanu do no yewu bebe a ya fa manako and you have got to come and sit on radio or television to talk. I challenge every MPP member be say epere Kasa go and bring Ken OFORI-ATTA no under account for his true worship said nan tamaklo waka da na samu a won pay wezi na sama na mu wa wezi na sama woman 10 years
process na also record no akwaji ayarsa wo amanani
all the ayarsa
no one babio then they continued with the case
but this is the case
of finding the guilty
your finance minister CEO so there is two portfolios na kawansam no she's a CEO now a finance minister it's our case no point different tawo sende eba ebubu kunte chegana fo de wakada muntu konkonte basa muntu emwebie muntu angwe basa ani mutoni na pepepe mazimo na yakobia police chiwa achide ntuma mbo achede bibi because osena otumo oba ne otumu ogbe na anu na okade Ghana for be send na finance minister obandana banks no asome de obandana ibanda obandana ezi 57 million yes ko tumu na abra president nde ye fa manis kankan obandana 2 million sky train obandana train sky one ejuma obandana palugu dam you see these are the questions also legitimate questions yes and ye bisa no ya no the reason why otuche dam scan ya man ya boka opoto time is in a different crowd anti mama information minister
often national cathedral now say auditor oben na was there obiala mfa eye omaniska
they be adam na waka
and I would doubt the outcome of the audit.
And sometimes audit I doubt but say I accept because president to catch and there a man miska one sitting point was into abandon a man miska come. He has to come and explain to the good people of this country. A president can a man miska come by a chiri day into a man miska okashim. Na Ghana fat as an emobwa. And he has to come. And he fellows of Sukwachi, senior comrade, Yabada wasi, no more send away by 1 year in town. Because in there this government you pentam to a man open 1 year in town na yonko yim. Mawaka yeditu. One fanam bana them said na mwabe. No somba no mbo content.
Na is there gofosin there or political witch hunting because nka obotu nkwampo asamono watiodo na wezi abra kenovrata onyi Ghana ha oye no kwadam ana de nkofo na wozo wa adwene kaka
awu de me ye lawyer azasa namu me jemizi de ne papamun se ehiama osende maba so wo ma NDC invite na NDC samambra ana moboa it was a never be one. These are some of the things one of them are Ghana for one politicians because a Ghana for feeders in a day, but because of from Brennan and I can not Ghana for Burufu. I'm telling you, because one of the reasons why Ghanaians what 2 hours made this year prosecution. So prosecution is all a lot of people won't wait for because one can say we must someone sue a man, we must sue a man. Atasa edu law and was the technicalities was the but equal as one can say a comment telling them how comment one but because of Ghana enti can offer and a politicians in Kutina why business feed on then kwema when one call when one from Bromwire political witch hunting ibe ka we appoint them ibe akachi bina kuko them ibe afebinate under series so dem anemobwa na badinti na aboso na man na be you na oya problem so I don't think the medical political witch hunting as in yazeka yazugu nwa etimemufo na woto aban yazugu na abura because on yet President John Dramani Mahama in Chambeda chairman in Chasoja Fajo I'm telling you it's a Chasoja Fajo money the dado. But because of the confidence in the hope in the door President Mama Numunti, now what's in Yabutana and Tuaba. It's in a bear to Abazma President Draman Mama. Number of the deal with these issues. And I mean, no President Mama, Nani childhood friend, I big up Palimpo, he deal with him Nebiana. And see, what's the will of justice glance slowly, but definitely regards to his destination. And see, Ghana for Yabuta. Yes, the sister Abuta and Ezma Ghana for Yabuta. More pay president no be on ye was a etrem kata says e buechi but etoba atesa na atoba atesini na
okay what's the discussion no expect there over cover high level profile cases among them is Ghana's request for extradition of former Finance Minister Ken OFORI-ATTA. The former minister has been the subject of investigation by state authorities, and the government has indicated its intention to pursue all lawful avenues to secure his return should extradition becomes necessary. And Jesus there at a point na Ken and the lawyers wasn't there or US on health grounds. The Kasa no yarba. No just there still no one turn 100%. But still was umbra. Now he will make himself available for video interview biala or the otum okodo. Intino dentina damazi yentum nkade okay video ebotumi anyina ye video conference na in some also the obisa no we bisa. The reason there what insist the umbra because on them the oil political opponent or pede what trillion wasn't fa tibioma nenyuan kaji what 18 the no so we who there na opera wayaza no kono ba for dibiala onko ba Ghana no wayaza no so obotum wafado is that main so ya nekwara
one about it will be
because these are political opponents like Wontumi and other Masokofi Jumamun as if you move there corner agencies are in charge of the law enforcement of this country, no CID, Yoko, na Nengakown, who feed the treatment. I wasn't my one on Yaza offer now because what are you done because we feed were political opponents.
My brother, that man said me meet I remember very well. President Rawlings. No year president. No year 2000. No year Lucy election. She had a MP for the NDC for phone.
Say you
do me. Maba. She had a MP for the NDC for phone. Young Kasa. I'll go for the Sunny president. Kufo Sunny at Amasabe. No day you won't be. Not Thomas no Casabiano Atasa father for all Yenjawa Atasa Atamas Lucy election Mama Lucy election Shatita was the NDC for film Share a young brother Kofi Adams Otsinamen Lankusen around Kaneshi now boy you no stopping what's a state vehicle what do you finish in someone's one, they should thank God because of all our young Kasa. So I know over no be one. It's a young woman, somebody bear money.
Or was all right what to assume because one teaching.
How we have to tell us. It's not missing there. So what radicalism? It's a more proper radicalism. Because in some of why is it money? One other TTV. And I will be at it. No, I know where that it will be. It is only be a TTV, but I have a problem. And some of why I will say,
wasn't there or there when you put on from rock?
Oh, one person want to smart watching on Penine. Watching on accountable just because it's saying the truth, it's telling the whole world in the corner. They shouldn't complain. And I always said, I'm not going to order because in your team, maybe it's this country, they will live to regret. Because anything bomb in the academy, a China son bomb academy. No said, hey, first food is not a food, but second food is madness. Some of us, before they should thank Ora. In some atete was the MP Fuko or many. Ekita kind of stop was a state kind of waji. And some of when you basa against us. When you come in ya zambra yazu yeduma. Aka garam seya. Akonta mine no aka ni garam se na court afra. Enti sameti we me ya bonna support from amonkwa. Okay imano. It is what is all this? Political, what kind of political whole chanting? Sometimes someone I mean, I just said that no analyze much of baby man in some of yan baby man they have still have got to talk. No, Ojima Kuma. Me yet money when I was 11 pass here. What pass 11 was working in party? Anamwa. It's better now Ghana for Yakabana. You see, these are some of things even the remember Ghana for so for medical school na trials and scenarios e be fear no wen waje as well podcast as be chawo ma na papa na trials and scenarios na yanza na so dey be fie this is what they are communicating to us there in yankase ambobo be wi amanu ya be say amanu intina to you be bunkunte ba yesu enja won because Ghana for so be bunkunte it they should come and account for their still worship. I'm not in a way, the assembly member. What were 3 times? Eja senator Fletcher, my mom was an what it's a blana, so we are urging our colleagues, our friends, and now intimidate me. One more time, we are using the due process. I am share Mama Kasa, the youth of NDC party. They are not happy 1 minute to about the way prosecutions are going. But sometimes they get to win
isn't the wheels of justice
go slowly, but definitely get to the destination. But this MPP, they shouldn't complain. We are wanting a mass crowd President Mama or yourself. No, I know be no, President Mama or yourself. President Mama or yourself. Now, President Mama on your software in Chenkofu baby bananche work again. Now and someone wants to say money all the men in Ghana. And someone wants to say money a bounce a suffer one of them a biala is when money down to Kasa because yenya leader or old saying a biala Kasa and they down to Kasa until I catch President Mama or suffer. Eja President Mama yourself and to go to Kasa. And Zama was the President Mama phone was the NDC phone. Eja so President Mama catch Yabuta. Eja as some people be say Manuma. Because he's saying we don't give a help to anybody. We are focused to build the nation. Into Sanupo near Bona, they should call me to book. They should call me for justice. So that Chinami will be. It's a before when Yabuta. Because our Kamen Kutia, which is example, it's the way people have power Ghana. I'm telling you, because in Zama was the NBC film about Lucy election, about Mamma Lucy election, I could follow in Azabeth. Zama was in our film, and then the one for the senses are often the one in heaven. They are in heavens, they should enjoy. A very year, Bobu Wakunte, President Mama and Lossi, I know a sofu. You are a sofu, and say, Bobu Wakunte. But agent other African country president here, agent has some proper visa. Shandon and answer Ibrahim Tori. No, I feel Muslim. Yeah. No Muslims so block road where sir. Okase na one thing as one lash way now, one more way now work train also one catch Boko Haram. Yes, because in Zimbabwe what is wrong. Ajasa enti yaya so na ya block road within small minutes emergency AC on the masona here the impo be sesa na impo kunko we just papa na yaya na enti there are certain things we should entertain it atama chana sa enti MPP they should thank God that President Mama na the one stand there on yeshi but so here mo binu na president just say manu it's one year big point here because nzama be why abofon Amanka some electoral rumpo. In some way, it been weird it's here. But I mean, I have 100% right to retaliate. But I'm focused on doing better things, not them. But it's I'm a 1,000 years in Pomo Fancho, I'm Fancho. No, but when the times comes, I will trigger. That is all. That is how I am. And the MPP from one day, I asked the way President Mama or Sofu. No, man, we got more Kasa. We know what they told us. We know what they did to us. And to say people upon the Amon audience in a Kasa. Shall someone able to have a Binuka kind? Oh, sir, Mamma, we know Wafa, Masho, Dazina. And I'll compare you to kill yourself. You said it. No, I'm a teenager, Kasa wash and the young phobia for presidency.
I know Tiambro.
And Tiambro, I want to start to do. Metina Costa TV, and I say, I'm a big man. Some quite no, some mamma best calls to Izbana. Yokupo, not my show, no mamma best call to Izbana. I said, I'm a show more. I said it, I should do what I said. A customer, I cannot easy do, Eshaban easy do. Enti da mo ko fun bozo won Yeah, Ghana for the election was
the likes of Okudo Black Kwamuna, some judgment as was shared prior to the 2024 elections.
Oh, them accountable.
ABC, sir. Another is ABC and Bada, whereas I will resign from one positions. But in there, what the one worry Oguda worry Juma, they are not doing bad.
One one's no different. One one's no different. And then young Kasa see. We know what happened, but yeah, to me, but all of us know what happened. I would never know what to about Ghana. If they declare election, now they be a soldier for guidance. They be done to Ghana because they declare election. Our baby allow soldier for our guide. If you are soldier for go 24. Well, that's be that.
Life is in danger.
That's not life in danger. Aye papa and papa ko to wa boy. Aye bonenti bodo ko to wa boy. Aye bonenti. If you are guilty, and then my showeti. I'm not one showeti because I know that Mark Warren is saying if try to attempt me, there are thousands of people over there. They will kill you whenever you want to attempt me. You understand? And sometimes someone may say one day Mark Marabaso because most of them are Yafu from Yafa Bibi. Share Yafa Bibi. We don't talk. Some of us we sent to court and it was a court 9 months. Was a court 9 months. No pedagogy. Okay. My what crime did I commit? Was a court 9 months. No, you court. What crime did I commit? It's a kind of answer. It's sometimes I am a Tanamun there, you know, more Zina Missing. Thank you, President John Mama. Some of us, the way they are retaliating one, you have no idea. Ghana for when you have a tell former President John Dramani Mama, my Ghana for paying there, Woboko, workers, when you go. When you want them water price in your phone, while the few other when you want us and President Mama is doing everything 100% for you. And you man of Bona, a barren Bodo, a barren Bocashin, but I am man of Boniza, and you get ready to account for whatever you do. So don't ever come.
Yo, big man, na it's a Nankano. I say, Oyaza, why don't go with OFORI-ATTA? And some of us see Ghana, on some papa. Nanso ever say ajubro asumjezi oye mayina is there so be etiwa was it for tat onyaza oze asumje ozeba nti me is there tetrama we nya abuta no ne kwando aye be say there obokodo na we nya abuta na yenyina ya tena omanim asumje 020 oni number ebutum afre na ezo wo ajinche 020 8206846 02082068646 about my friend na as wajin chere as ababua dwumazino eguda yehwe oye kasa program yi wo Coastal TV na issues a yehwe oyaza national awards oye big event was about to gwa zasambebre na waba ho ya kasa ho ya cheche na adwen wodo esanso ya hwe oye OFORI-ATTA or US na so Ghana honorable attorney general osin there onye America fo onye batene fo moye pesem na wahwekona bafada wonsa baka na Ghana ha na wezi na asam ebisa wanso ebotu ma kire wadwen tenema waka no dam na oye anade wonjai na emrepamu no na wonkono wonzi na asam wo ha na wonjai emrepamu no sanana tenema woraka na waso no hotana boduma aba Ghana no na ya hwe tenema yan dam anade waso ebia na wadwen fofor kachira yen ebotum afrayen 05082068646 na as wadwen kire as aba. Okay, big man yan share one other issue important to NDC as a party. What's in the Ghana zi enyaya to abewie pe na say ezo mampanyin foforo sida na the next day no na start there yem plans na ye towards the next general election or sande on the 4 years no osa nyamena doma o mampanyin mama owie ne 4 years ya onko bio the potential to get a candidate to replace His Excellency President John Dramani Mahama no oho kofu bebre we nature one ambition wopede wonya dam akonye na obotum wasre party for na was amon na Musa Dankwa on ye chief executive of Global Info Analytics oze oho osati ya check oho no zaba na atoforsen na odenyim owa no zaba oye honorable Aruna Idrusu owa asidin katia owa na why neck to neck na kofu benaso I express one concern be one of them deputy general secretary in charge of operations Mustafa Bande or say Azar Musa Dankwa no also seed of discord into the NDC party, confusion, seed of confusion into chem na oye kasakasa na ekon na ozre ba osande emunu ndri na obotum waye the party no botum waye the mass no so wezi mwenyi mukana opere oye na oma party fono adwini bi na wache bia na Musa Dankwa wo interest bia ope candidate bi ntina ore adam no ebi mususko wa doubt ni process no de won sheda hu ne nyama na oye no won sheda hu ni ye nti sese mama ai de jezi wonu mu no oye wa akofom kakra eye party be efi de ode onoso sende onyaza obatra homa indisi fo a kire ne de ye another ye bi osa na oye independent body a or ye na ejuma onye ona no dom ore ejuma ntima indisi nyimbiala interfere another on attempt of a kire aza osa de oye just there Jumeza origin obotu was the problems was a bre oye NDC partner potentially in the run up to even you be a replace oye John Dramani Mahama in the run up to the 2028 general elections.
Madam Musa Dankwa ayimpa bia wouldn't doubt his fundings. No funding so far nzama okay now happen. Into such a person oye bibia or sende ye careful. Because obotu wa yanzama and the impazi history has its subjectivity and its objectivity. It is anu sadao ko ejuma oyen obotu wa bende nzama bi oya or the problems babra party inosha party ni ogbe ide akona adawo imbra na imbra mbafa forms na bibi otedam nti ye nche na ejuma obe nche about to send there anu nya abotan yemi yara adom because he said President Dramani Mahama and Kasa said okada on send babio 2016 losing okada on send babio na ye na force na mo be in part of your force na ye na be na si sala Ghana forces in there one pedo oboko wo pedo osan ko bio na la osan ko since almost say for as or send na no almost say for adwemo o say see it was no yan abota mo ka bi aso ye dutum ende ne sample data ozi na eduman obaso a chom no de ti na yeto send there and no focus on the governance for now it's waka next year na azina oboto was start doing any projections na azi and the no projections was be an for serious need data be an as part here for serious and we work around his data there kon bi ado o send ye mo send o chen ye na yetu yezu kuti yeto send there nzema bi owa it's too early it's too early because yetu about 2 years in pombe atasa so President Mahama ko bioma and I believe that whoever wasn't on the ticket of NDC NDC will maintain the seat because there's no way Ghanaians will go and vote against NDC anymore. I'm telling you because equal grounds na equal form ekakawansama
can you trust Ghanaians on that?
We trust Ghanaians.
The Ghanaians so 2028 Ghanaians
are ever ready to vote for the NDC for the next 42 years.
Whoever that will,
I'm telling you,
the presidential candidate.
Messi, Ghanaians are ready to vote for NDC for the next 42 years. I'm telling you.
Okay.
Because first, because of the social media and as in you want to Dama traditional media house and was it a jandam, wasn't an MPP, but since I no more jandam. Because of Nama technology, TikTok, Facebook, Snapchat, and more. So I put them with their party, I put them with their popular. Go to social media. I want to ever understand that whether you are popular or not. That is why I'm telling you, the next 4 to 2 years, Ghanaians are willing. And the President John Dramani Mahama, stand out up as the Ghana kissing. Stand out up as the Ghana kissing. There is no way Ghanaians will vote against NDC. And then now, as the first now, but we are working economic day. Now, because on to the demand of a concept of demand of supply in 1,000. As this time, I go to a baby, he dare not. No, I buy a symposium. Okay, can some out, but they are not on task. I can't, no, sorry, come. As this time, I go to a baby. I'm baby, because he's a balanced economics. And I'm going to tell you, Moko Taza. Motor fuel, the Mikal, man, motor fuel 15 cities, and maybe no 23 cities a liter. It's our own ABAWANA never catch. So Ghanaians, they were in there. The next 4 to 2 years is about to abandon NDC. I'm telling you, into whoever will come. Because the MPP and the next election will be 18%. They will not cross 18%. I'm telling you. Yeah. Now,
in Israel, it's too early. As America or too earlier. Tell me, if you want to Musa DANKWAH Nazori or too early, no. Are you not also being too hasteful in terms of predicting there for the next 42 years of what 2 hours or NDC, no? Obviously, there I was near your neighborhood, Charlie. I don't know the no. Now, the end will justify the means. Now, so, but internally, and the process to elect a flag bearer, no, and is there so far, marking time, science, no, it doesn't look good. Until you over and old one say, I go no shasa, and is there the minimum what may affect the party, no, in terms of who will be, you know, about him because it's a attitude is in every. Was a party chairman or General Mosquito as you didn't catch ya, or Professor Joshua Alabi, then your home. Finance Minister to force then your home, Honorable Aruna Edusu, then you are the Poku, Agriculture Minister, then you are the Finance Minister. Oh, the big monster was it. I'm a business in the Vice President, Professor Jenana Pokajiman, Musukrampo Unyaya, Nka Waba. Waba was in the brave. Intino Obia so. Obia so one of them. Our Obutu was nature. And then with summer, even wash asi, Okaka, and I know as any get ya, Okajina baby, or Tamale Sat, and Amawa, Oka and Sembi. I don't know, do so baby or reply a crabby. In see a simple idea waiting no potential no, it may not look good. Say one shadow one snap from nowhere who there or internal elections are warrior. Into idea says no. You forget the Amazon, they focus in helping the president to deliver on his mandate to the Ghanaian people. On yes, Sunday, science, there, actually, 2 years, and the chairman, Guda or thank you to it was their campaign, indirectly or campaign. Now, Orient, and just the Dominion in a bottom will create problem as I'm a party.
American or no call, say I'm Shania, no be create problems, I'm a party. But you because Sabbath of Fetch Obia about an can then also so very careful. And I'm telling all these names are happen. 1 or 2 reasons in meeting and names be brava. I don't mind automatically it's a vice president no more. This is NDC. ALHASSAN. But because of 1 or 2 issues in TV and BB don't in your front line and say
democracy.
Yeah, we knew there. We know that this is the way we are going, and this is what is potential things to be happen, and we are ready for everything. And I'm telling you, before next 2 years, or whoever is going, about that there is a sanity in the party, because Professor Joshua Alabi is not a new in the system for flank bearership. I remember very well Kujobonsu. It's not new in the system. ALHASSAN. It's in this we understand. Yeah, Kobna before. It's we will understand our system. How do more as in our because Masa Awiyabota. Tigana for Yabuta. We
are to build the consensus.
No, yes, sir. What we want to do is to make Ghana a better place. That is what all our focus is. We are going to make Ghana a better place, safe place for Ghanaians. And I'm telling you, whoever win as plank bearer of NDC will win the general election. I'm telling you. Wow. Because I go so if you lay your foundations very well and strong, it can stand the test of time. And I'm telling you, the foundation of our party can stand the test of time. Yes.
So it be a late President Wallace Nabodo say after oyi the osimesi na obabeshe my name yenye nkofa wo desert party no
so lies of Buzitano Benzedo Ndawara
ebunna akada obutu build the consensus ma akada ondo wodo
this time around
nyabuta na yina yenye adwene ko na osimesi nko de obutu akada ye pinpoint e be ye nto aba
yeah, democracy. Abazi abotu, but oduwa ebonde ina ezinoko.
No, nothing
will happen. I'm telling you.
Across the country.
I'm telling you, Sir President John Dramani Mahama, Oban second term, Professor Alabinu now consultant was no, they can't waste money and waste time on this again. Ghanaians have settled on President John Dramani Mahama. Let's support him and move on. That is what is going to happen. Obodu ni lebonde ekunala wafu no nti mamangu mi name. Yen support me poko edan. Onko nti Ghana fozi I mean me pray there we are doing everything possible to make Ghana a better place, a safe place for Ghanaians, so that Ghanaians will have that confidence and go vote for us on 2028 election. That is all what our focus is. It's me bala ye time no sa Satama Fonka in game bay, say na ezechi. But I do the down the level at us. And this sometimes we understand our rhythm and we know how to dance our own rhythm. See, Ghana for 1 year kumote. The problem is Obi as in baby Ghana for Bajina Tunde. Ampa he deserved to lead the party or to lead the country. See, it's easy baby brother. Along the line, so one day baby so with them. One day difference we we start this game with the lives of Kojobo Osu, no Professor Alabino. And only they work no. Because he been playing from our culture and we are just want to make a name for future. But not to. If you are up a favor be at us, Ghana for 1 year, but no Musa Dankwa, a Juma Paul and Onye, Moaka, Yajatum, intimate, Yakasa.
Musa Fabande Masama Wakade opera was a confusion division was a party mono. That means I'm no.
The problem is too early. But whatever is said, we take it as consideration and we want to work on it. We're not going to relent on it too. Japan way Juma Kasa. Walk a baby way Juma. Because this baby man way do know. Ghana for last NDC. It's a disappointment about how again.
Or a boa partner because the Azoria no or a boa or opposition partner another picture be or a party man when I him there in the run up to the election no. This is the way or their partner or co no more by ya on Kafa.
Some want to mention the great party NDC as our baby. Don't to mention
or a boa party.
And I'm
by even listen or Oyaza, oh, there, as it is learned to the advantage of the NDC in terms of the general elections are able to come 2028.
Yeah, that is the reason why the necessary can watch because now we are legitimate.
Okay.
Legitimate as a party. Because I know and find this. I find this is no also agitate and analyze data. And you may be able to my eye. Men to me, you says out to 10 minutes. I will do my
band partner because I go to my commission. Now our resource on there on yet post no from a partner. I
think the Musa Dankwa
and I
need credible person. And that I don't think the Obama Sika was saying it. No, because they be influencing. They be influencing
partner in the world commission there. Yeah, the management. Some political parties were commission kofo there ebi no one kasa wo ye or one kofo mo wo ye ebi was a commission kofo institutions credible ones also the information yi nti kwa be for that ebe ya as information no the accurate one is about brain no fa na so ntum nka na obi nko ye the medjuma no ompana ni scan for nko ye bia nye at that point in time nye the medjuma no pede oye nti order ye resource ni pakọ no ma edjuma na ye pede oye
every man can say what's in a way. I come to my friend. Oh, Mr. Down, contest election bill. But for sample data or me in that area, no more information. On your crime. On your crime. When it's there, BBS and ever. But the only problem is the timing now or send it on your water. Because as I'm speaking to you now, 1 hour less won't boot what does one. But all the baby. As a consensus. Sometimes we build our consensus. You know, Sapati Bele Pedals from Driba. Sometimes if you want to go there for it, be no shell to push. Into Adama, oh, I'm your butter. No, come Mahama. Eba na abogwe mase. Say bi no wan yi wonu yi mu ne ka che no wan yi abotan. Bi kwa ni na onya wa. Ya ka che no wan yi abotan na was ya baba ya pede ya test ya pause. Na be na emo wo hu on levels. Since then on the no, sa na yemi bi no yi grounds. Grounds no. Anti on yi abotan kwa. In what we are focused on, as I see saying one China, Yaba Magana, some Jabe, Bian Watan, a Bian Major, Bian what to want, but Papa no racing ye. No, you're confident about what to Abame. And see, I'm a Elgin, and so we are the Biala. I'm a Ghana for you on the world show. Foundation, you're learning now. I'm an Obama China, a Sora, Mokoto about A and M could be. Atasa, because you know foundation, Biala. We are focused to deliver on the country, not the party. You build the party, you build the country. So I'm building a country. If Ghana sees how the whole country is construction site, these are what Ghanaians are looking for. And Ghana for you, but Musa Dankwa ever catch and more the edge to me on soft and on my next year and then. Next 2 years. Now, on proper data, we are going to work on it. More than I did to. Maza bede yesu. Yeye wejuma.
Yo. Big man na yete de orakasa no. Osina Musa Dankwa ye nyina no wogitum. Wori ye wejuma ma owechinzo obeye na emom on sort the grounds kakra onya abota na ebia in after a year no ana 2 no. Na osha asede ori de medjuma na wan kasampo onyim de mbrene dura de medjuma yi na osede oye to ma party ni biala na so ni interest abom but is there a way no outcomes no obutuma influence party for na influence ko for na again and there
sometimes I mean some culture NDC delegate when ko fu bia sometimes they don't think about your interest. They think about the interest. One and a gun of what to Abamana obey. Share MP Kokoro Kitegi. All the prime minister say one. I wonder, young to my to what do I say? Or you could go to me just to know. You are Kotomo, you are partner, you are a partner, showing po. You are in this fresh party and showing pa. That is the reason why I'm a catcher there. Musa na kumaka ba ya ja to minti ye wejuma. Obodu me a better Zimbabwe wardrobe. Ebon de bebe so abese wardrobe obaka yin pebe 3 and 2 bi mark it on the wall. Okay, I know what I'm telling you because in party numu I started this NDC work way back 1994 na me a party agent muzime NDC and so from 1994 up to date my NDC eduma so I know what I'm telling you. Okay.
No what's it abwa finsumu obana obaka che ode ebia abo krofoforo wo nsumo wewa ono awo gina nsunano na beje na de nka jinzi ntino is has to also understand the asama big man kano ono okasa from inside na oraka chirain nti all we can do is to keep our fingers crossed and watch and see how matters will unfold and say odruwa enyina yebohu the outcome of the whole show na ina yetum ya kan asam na ya kan yi big man you're sorry na expect den ka enua Isaac Kofi ozana nka wa baka yensa nanso wentum wa maku ya nti mmene so ayembre nti yepede yeso nti osama ozewi
manzema yende yabada Ghana fasi de wa manya kwenja de yamfon somo na ya ka che Ghana fasi de aya wo bompe a na wa ka emanen wa ka aban na wa ka aban nimpimfu na mo sende ye zebon bia ma itimemufu woton bia yetu ya ye kama ye zamo na biala wa konejimo matotasre ya media houses wo gwe ade won throw letter won phone ko assembly information desk won ka je minutes yana assembly minutes no wo nzama assembly ye zebo igwaman no won so won phone be na yan fan to the name phone to igwan. This is my passionate appeal na ma ka che igwafo de nzama bi wa ya onboy na wo man hwini je ya kwata anweze bogu kan ko ya kwata mbebe bogu kan ko wala imbe azayen onye ezebogu mpa ede otu asese we fiwo ni we je wona azen we ko go tem na we su go tem na flood wo family adwuma yo ko ahomatse we atoto srawan ya toto srawan poncho ama yan sese yo su ban kakra na waza ye no wana ye ye bi baby akọ igwe ye ngwe ye na yesa na ye igwe ma igwe ye se boto tasrawan incidents yan nzama bi aye feed ya na
na ye na se ba around na wona watent na market na no ana kwana no watent na azno ko bana obeyi won fiwa within after a few days na
ko waba yeah I attitude na change
the no other way na way na permanently because let's won fiwa won dey kon the ho ma traffic no flow freely and so why bona wasan so waba nti order the man
yeah do congestion exercise could be or school yeah do congestion exercise could be it's yeah everyone there wasan so ababio se better fight we yimpa sabe manu si no wan yamboa sabe want to trust someone wa me be ya azinde onye waka che yefu echina ya asan so abe the same thing. It's like we are not
was human face
yeah to
was a human face
actually yeah to slow baby na kwan yeah to slow one man to igwe e kwan papa the yan fama wi asema nyina no nto yeah to slow pa
okay
honestly
yo yeah that's it big man na yetin nka no one of the communicators for the NDC party or Cape Coast South so yeah assembly member ozema ayuko chantry electoral area ono na yetse nka no wache chirem saso test amanfo there wona wotent na kwana na wotent na aze no mbomoz na onfi ho na ekwan traffic on flow freely ama wona wotwom na aze so obia so no aton ize ye ne dama nyina yere booma egwa mpuntu wetum abom na waka nyina we nyina no yen abrabo no at one point or the other no we improve aha na ezi jumezi no besi nsama yetim ya discuss omampanyin wabo ne appointees no kokode mo won fa won ho nkaje oye award scheme biala on sheda any credibility national credibility biala ehun so de potential no omampanyin botum waye reshuffle na yesaso ezi nkomo fa Ghana no onyi US yene attorney general honorable Dominic Ayini osno robeshia US mpanyimfo na wonyo na dwendwen extradition processor and request was a court to America for when enyim no kwana oba for da oba fast track nyama ama wetum wezi juma osede wozi na esanso efia Musa Dankwa ne posa aya ozeba ozefan oye NDC party na hono ebimo sende ozenchechemu na onye entertain na ozeba oye party mdeka azori nka onje ebimo sende ori na ozabo party nti woma onye na ejuma no no independent body ori na ejuma nti da mensam na yadwendwe no ho enyumbre nyame adoma da for so ebasa so yehia on the same Kasa platform ido na ya discuss current issues or record wa yen manim na more breaking story record there oye former CEO of Maslock oye Sednam Tamakulu atienu so ayaza wa extradite no was in US was naba Ghana ha the ombra na jail term was man no conviction was man no or the washe na woma osep nti police fo no nyi oye prison officers won so wa jina was will process was for through the process na baby a order was no kobiano was na ko nti ejizi de waso ebeboa na ayewa fomize na za aboa omani na omani etumpon na igwai enyina igwai ayakrabɔhwe menyina enya mfaso mezenze oye dani abawana nyame adoma ebesanso ezehia ede wase bebre yankopon hyerɛw bye bye.
Yanara Sassani, Airport in